Hello, tech-savvy folks, and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest in tech gear. I'm your host, and today, we've got something that will revolutionize your printing experience, the true image-compatible toner cartridge replacement. But before we dive into the details, let's unbox this set and see what we're dealing with. Inside this neat package, we've got 4 toner cartridges: black, cyan, yellow, and magenta. Plus, a set of instructions to make installation a breeze. Now, let's talk compatibility. These toner cartridges are compatible with a variety of HP printers, including the Color LaserJet Pro Series and the LaserJet Pro Series. Page yield is always a concern when it comes to toner cartridges. The black cartridge yields around 1,400 pages, while each color cartridge delivers approximately 1,300 pages, all at a 5% coverage rate. That's some serious printing power. Now, let's learn a bit more about the company behind these cartridges. True Image, established in 2013, is dedicated to producing top-notch compatible toner cartridges. They've become one of the leading online retailers of printer supplies in the US, thanks to their commitment to professionalism, cost-effectiveness, and durability. But enough talk, let's see how these cartridges perform. Installing these cartridges is a breeze, and the printing quality is nothing short of amazing. Vibrant colors, sharp text, it's all here. So, there you have it, folks, the True Image compatible toner cartridge replacement, your gateway to exceptional printing. If this video helped you find the perfect toner solution, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy printing!